Hello friends, good morning. Let's check our new model today. Uh, New model. This one, you could put whatever mobile phone or tablet PC on it. Of course, it's also our anti-fab display stand. See, this design is more fashion nowadays, and it is very beautiful design. See. This one is the sense cable, of course, but the sense cable and the charging cable and the power cable is connects all together. This one is for Android mobile phone. Okay, this is remote controller, right? This one is plug. Okay, this is manual, of course, and we just connect everything together as usual. The first step, let's connect the power. Okay. And of course, when we really gonna use this device, of course we will tear the red tapes at the bottom, so we could attach it on the table very firmly, like this. Tear the tapes here and attach on the table. Here I just give you a show, so I didn't. I just keep the tapes here. Okay, let's connect the power. We hear the sound. Yeah, and this indicator line is turned blue, right? Okay, here is sensor point. Okay, we connect this cable to here. Okay, perfect. And okay, we need use the mobile phone. Okay, I got this mobile phone and just connect it. Okay, now it's charging. Okay, we just put it back here. So when the alarm is set, really when we put on a table, we will hear a sound like this. Let's check. Okay, what? So now, if anyone try to take this mobile phone away, he has to unplug this cable, right? Or take this device away from the table, so it will trigger the alarm. I need to also connect this part. I forget it. Sorry. Okay, here we'll take the tapes here too and connect at the back of the cell phone. Okay, like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, so put it on. Now the alarm is set. If someone try to unplug this cable, let's see. Wow, very big sound. We have to use this remote controller and press here, okay, to stop it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's try again. If someone try to take away the mobile phone in this way, let's see. Wow, again. Okay, press here. Okay, it is very simple. And also, if someone try to take this device together, take it all the way, we will be like this. Okay, we will like this. Wow. Okay, that's it. Simple thing, and because this the base is bigger, so we could also put a tablet PC on it. It will be perfect too. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.